how to get rid of blood clots, blood thinners, and overall just detox and cleanse your blood. So blood clots are clumps of coagulated blood. Clots are a natural part of healing, but can also be dangerous if an internal blood clot breaks loose and travels through the circulatory system. It may become large in a blood vessel and block the flow of blood to vital organs. So what is causing the blood to become coagulated and clumped together? And coagulation is the process by which blood changes from a liquid to a gel-like state. Well, there's a couple things that can be doing that, but the first thing is acids. Acids stick things together, which means your blood is acidic and the pH is below 7.35. Now, what else that can be causing the blood cells to stick together is dehydration. When there's an insufficient amount of water in your body, the liquid component of blood called plasma has less material to keep the blood cells liquefied. So this is one of your main causes for your blood being coagulated or thickened. And the last two things are mucus and gluten. So your blood is acidic and dehydrated, which is causing your red blood cells to clump together. Also, mucus is probably further causing your blood cells to clump together, which is all ultimately leading to poor circulation, and they need the blood thinners to prevent blood clots. But there's a simple way to naturally restore your blood cells and heal your circulatory system. First thing you gotta do is get off the gluten, because gluten glues things together, and we're trying to pull those red blood molecules apart. Next, you gotta get off of all those acidic foods. First one is animal products. This one gotta go the quickest. All processed foods and anything GMO. To get the blood alkaline, we got to cleanse the blood, but also the spleen, because the spleen is the organ that cleanses the blood through the lymphatic system. And to thoroughly hydrate the cell, you're going to need something called H3O2 and not H2O. H3O2 was discovered by Dr. Gerald Pollack. This is the liquid that your body's really made out of. That's why water doesn't come gushing out of you like a hose if you get it cut. It's more viscous, dense, and alkaline than regular water, has a negative charge, and can hold energy much like a battery and deliver energy too. When a cell is given H3O2, it electrifies it and rejuvenates it. And this is blood work showing that H3O2 is capable of pulling apart, clumped together molecules of blood. Well, where do you find H3O2? In your fruits and vegetables. To fully cleanse and restore your blood, you want to go on an all-fruit diet. And the diet should be high in grapes, because grapes are natural blood thinners. Flavonoids found in grapes have blood thinning effects. These flavonoids have been found to inhibit platelet aggression in lab studies. Grapes are also high in salicylates. They work by blocking the body's production of vitamin K, which contributes to coagulating effects of blood. And you should take herbs along with the fruits. One great herb that's also a natural blood thinner is guaco. Guaco's constituents include coumarin and a list of others, but coumarin is the special one. Guaco is a significant source of natural plant chemical coumarin, up to 11% in some guaco plants. And coumarin is used to produce Coumadin, which is a commonly used anticoagulant and blood thinning drug. Another great blood thinner herb is red clover. Red clover can reduce the risk of hardening or thickening of the arteries, enhance circulation, lower blood clots from forming, and produce more flexibility in the arteries. And it can help thin out the blood. 4 other great herbs for cleansing and strengthening the blood would be yellow dock, burdock root, dandelion leaf, and sarsaparilla. If you got any skin problems like acne or eczema, you can also benefit from this, because what shows on the skin is a reflection of what's in the blood. Fall for more? Tap in, family.